Right, Kai, mid-50s last week. Let's see how you get on this week. Right, well, first off, common mistake. Your calculator tells you 38.1. You've then got to add the 0. You put the 0 in the wrong place. 38.1 means £38.10, not £38 and a penny. Because of that, that's wrong, but it's okay because you've already lost the mark there, so you get 3 out of 4 for that. 5% is 0.05 times that. That's correct. But I don't know what you've then done here, because the answer to that is what the answer to the question is. So because you haven't worked it out, I can't give you the marks. Meters is right, litre is right, miles is wrong, it's not a metric unit. Kilometers is what we're looking for metric distance, and weight there, so you've got 3 there. 63 is too big. Okay, your method is that you don't count every square that's being covered, it has to be more than half covered. So that one there, for example, shouldn't be counted. That one there shouldn't be counted. So you're counting too many squares. So you're out of the range. 3, 6, 7 for the page. Now that's a page you should be getting full marks on. Okay, so there's 5 marks there you've dropped that you shouldn't be dropping. Use a ruler, use a pencil. I'm fed up of saying this. Okay, it's not accurate enough for 2 marks. Cylinder is spelt like that, but you get the mark. There's another mark dropped on that page. You need to know what those are. Radius, chord, tangent. That's correct. This isn't correct. There's only one line of symmetry on this, which is the one down the middle there. So you get nothing for that one. A quarter is 0.25. Now you're allowed to use a calculator on this paper, so use the fraction button. 10 out of 25, there's the fraction button. 10 over 25, press equals. That's it as a fraction in its lowest terms. If you then press the SD button, turns it into a decimal, 0.4. So you can see there, that's one, and then do the same thing with the others. But you haven't done that. A quarter of it is going to be 2 of these triangles. You haven't shaded in 2, so that's not right. 6 out of 15 is right, but it's not in its simplest form. Again, use the fraction button. 6 on top, 15 on the bottom, press equals. 2/5 is what they're looking for, so you're only going to get 1 mark there. 3 for the page. So you're throwing away a lot of easy marks here, Kai. They're going to prevent you from getting anywhere near a grade C. The number was 8, that's correct. Your workings here don't help you. If you look, I can take a B off each of those because they're the same, leaving me 2 B's being the same as 8. So 1 B would be 4. Once you know what B is, A is easy. 3 for that. Double the original start number and then times that number by 2. So if you double and times it by 2, what you're doing is timesing by 4. Okay? Unfortunately, that's not a word. If you'd have said double the start number, then times that number by 2, then that would be right. But timesing by 4 is what we're looking for in words. 7 times 4 is 28, so 1/7 is 4, so 2 7s would be 2 times 4, which is 8. No, you have to take the 0.04, times it by the 1200, and that gives you how much her pay rise is. Only 3 on that page, I'm afraid. That is the range, that is the mean, and that is that. Well done, good. So that's right, watch the video clip for that, you should be able to do that. Watch the video clip for this, I will talk to this one in class. That plus that plus that is not 149, it's 150. And then that's not what you do. So once you've got the total, Andrew received 69 out of the total, which you then times by 100 to get the percentage. And that's not right, and there's no method. So again, watch the video clip for those. You need to be able to get those 6 marks there. I'll go through these in class. 107 is right, well done. You should be able to do part A even if you can't do B and C for that, so watch the clip. And you should be able to do scatter graphs. That's an easy 5 marks you've thrown away there. And you've got nothing on the back page either. So you've lost a lot of marks in that paper that you should be getting, and you've left out questions that you should be able to answer. So 55 is your previous best. I don't think you're going to get this 55 on this paper. You've lost a lot of marks. 7, 11, 14, 17, 23, 26. 26 out of 100 is poor. I'll not lie. It's a G. Okay, you're only a few marks off a U with that. You've got to practice more, you've got to take the time, watch the clips where you've gone wrong, and improve on that. You're 4 marks off an F, sorry, that's why I'm pausing. 4 marks off an F, but you are more than 30 marks off, or actually more than 40 marks off a guaranteed C there. So there's still a long way to go as far as what you need to be getting right, but there's not a long way to go to the exam now, Kai, so it's really important you up the effort.